Hello, everybody. This is Mr. John, and welcome to Online Learning Math Edition. Get pumped! Okay, today we're going to be working on a math pre-assessment, which is something new in English class, but you've done before in Chinese. A pre-assessment is like a test, but it's one that you don't need to study for and you don't need to stress out about. This is a test that we do before we've done our learning for the unit to see what you already know. And at the end, we can compare and see how you do at the end of the unit once you have done a bunch of learning and see how much you've grown. So let's jump into it. Now, just to quickly review here, we're going to be working on two main ideas. One is area, and the second is factorization and prime numbers. Let's quickly review the concept of area, which you all should remember from UOI 2 in grade 3. Remember, when we calculate area, we're trying to find the space within an object. Okay? And how do we do that? We have to find the length and multiply it by the width. Okay? That's something we learned already. I'll give you that much of a hint to get you started. You should be able to find the length and the width of each shape on this pre-assessment. So good luck. Let's go through each question one by one. Now, questions 1 and 2, find the area, label the units. Find the area of a square and find the area of a rectangle. Now, number 3, this gets a little tricky. Find the area of a parallelogram. We haven't learned how to do that yet. Tricky. I wonder if anyone will know how to do it. If not, don't stress out about it. You can leave a question mark if you're not sure how to do it. That's okay because we haven't learned it yet. We don't want you to feel stress, okay? Number 4, find the area of a trapezoid. Haven't learned that yet either. If you want to give it a shot, please give it a try. But if you can't, a question mark is okay. Number 5, do you remember how to find the area of a compound shape? We learned it in UOI 2. Let's see if you remember. 6, a triangle. Haven't learned that yet. What to do? 7, find the surface area. That is the area of all the sides of the shape. Challenging. See if you math whizzes can handle it. 7 and 8. If not, no problem. You know what to do. All right, students. So for part 2, second page, we are going to be looking at questions 9 and 10. You need to figure out 1 meter squared. How many centimeters squared does that equal? And how many centimeters squared does 100 millimeters squared equal? Remember, when I say squared, that's that little 2 above your units. It's talking about square units, not your normal units. Give it a shot. Questions 11 and 12 are going back to UOI 1 Chinese class, where you learned what are prime numbers, explain your thoughts here, and how to find factors. Find all the factors of 30 and circle the prime factors. Lastly, 13, 14, 15, 16, we're going to be trying to simplify these fractions. To simplify means to write it in its most simple terms. That means to write it with our bottom number as small as possible. So we're going to change it into its most simple form while keeping the value the same. See if you can do it. If you get stuck, you know what to do, right? The old little question mark, okay? Best of luck. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, you should know that this is a paper assignment, so it's to be done with a pencil on paper. The paper for this has been put in your online learning packet, so you can find the math pre-assessment there. So please complete it like that. Take some nice clean pictures of both sides when you're done and upload it for your teachers to see.